this is a side view of the skid. As you can see, we get a couple pressure gauges. We had originally talked about putting pressure gauges on the each side of the Y strainer, as you can see highlighted in orange. Now I had modified this because it's the tank is at atmospheric pressure, and I just didn't want I didn't see the I don't think the pressure is going to be very high, and it'd be hard to tell if that suction strainer was blinded by looking at the two gauges. However, if it is blinded, you will tell by you'll see no pressure, low pressure, fluctuations in pressure in the discharge gauge here. As you go downstream on the piping, you can see I guess it's a rough looking thermometer gauge, a half MPT that sticks into the pipe there, right down from that pressure relief valve that I spoke of in the last video. Basically, we had also discussed about potentially putting two of these in. I don't necessarily see the value in that because if the skid is doing its job, the inlet is going to be cooling. We can put the per request. It's not a problem. We can put that temperature gauge on the outlet. It's really no big deal. But I just wanted to kind of explain that to you. But one thing I think more importantly I wanted to discuss is if you see this long horizontal run of pipe here highlighted in orangish yellow. I want to put supports on there. I'm not sure. I'm going to do some research here to determine what's required there, but I think it's quite a long run across the skid, and I think probably be good to indicate the supports there. Back to the left here, you can see the this valve here that I'm highlighting. That valve is actually the flush valve. So I'm assuming it's going to be an external flush coming from a separate water source aside from the chilled water that's going to be cooling the heat exchangers. So I left that off the skid a little bit. I do intend to put some supports here at the corner and to hold up, to add some support to that piping. This run that elbows, it's orthogonal. It goes over to the back side of the skid with the tri-clamp. That's actually going to be where we, from the tank, where the Phenosorb is fed into the pump. So I just wanted opened it for suggestions, so let me know what you think.